Hey guys, I wanted to do a quick video on the Kreg jig. I know I did one already on the unboxing and talking about it, but I really can stand behind this product. I use it every day and it's a great product. It makes my work 50 times faster because I don't have to keep stopping and adjusting that screw. Boom. That simple. It literally, I'm doing this one-handed too. So, I mean, all you gotta do is just pop it in just because I don't have hands to do it. But look, line those screw holes up. I'm trying to put it in. But I just wanted you guys to see how great this worked like. And it's just automatic. It's over and over. So, I mean, all the time that I spend drilling holes isn't unscrewing, keeping the screw tight on the K4. Everybody that's got the K4 knows that keeping that screw tight will drive you crazy, having to keep screwing it tight. Even if you take a wrench, then you have to unscrew it. So, I mean, you're going to have a lot of time and effort into the screwing and unscrewing part. And you know, I really do. This is a product I can stand behind, and I don't have my sweeper hooked up, but this is a product I can stand behind as a woodworker and tell you that it, you know, time is money. And the faster I can get stuff done, the better it is. I mean, literally, I'm doing this one-handed. I'm getting pretty good at doing it, sticking it in there without even seeing. I'm looking through the screen. I mean, it's perfect holes, perfect width. This is a 2.5-inch board. I'm building a coffee table, so I mean, it's a perfect board. I mean, and I mean, I needed 4 underside braces for the coffee table, and I mean, yes, I'm taking the time to show you guys this, but I mean, look how fast this drills these holes. There's no wait time in between and I know that mine I don't have a lot of followers yet or even viewers, but it definitely, this Kreg jig's the real deal. A lot of these guys get on and they just buy the stuff, or get the stuff because they got viewers from YouTube, but I'm telling you, as a woodworker that builds furniture for a living every day, that this is a very good product, and I would suggest it to anybody. Thank you. Have a great day.